Have you been searching for the perfect sedan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2021 Honda Insight Touring in white. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 21,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, remote start system, power sunroof, 1.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJB.com, stock number D7136.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.